Oh, we were going to start this project yesterday. You can see the evidentiaries of it. All type of friggin' residues on the ground, and then a big giant oil leak. So you can tell it was a Cummins we had in here. I apologize for that, but we didn't have the right asshole. I bought this for old Rusty. There's the engine there. You can see the pipe, different things. Not same. Totally not same. So we weren't able, because I was just going to put that in Buddy's truck. That's what's leaking, but it's different designary altogether, so that wasn't going to fit. But so we're just going to bypass all that nonsense anyway, because I mean it's just going to rust out again. The way they've got it routed is, you know, a little ambiguous. But anyways, Buddy should be here any minute. We'll get the friggin' truck back in the shop. We'll start draining the coolant turner apart and stab some hoses on there. I should show you the friggin' the hoses we're talking about on this engine, give you a better idea of what we're even splaining, but you can't even really sound this. But this pipe here for the heat exchanger for the transmission comes around, and his is leaking all right in this area, but it comes all the way around and then ties in backing up and under there, and then it comes all the way under the friggin' turb scheme, the manifold, and then comes all the way out and around and down, and then it ends up right down into there. So we're just going to pop the guy out of there and you know, shove a hunk of hose with a fitting on the end of her to loop her around, and a couple zip ties, a couple hunks of 5/8 heater hose there, and a T so that he can have heat. Well, wouldn't that be nice, running a Dodge with heat? Whew, luxurious. But yeah, man's got to eat, so we're going to do this little project here for this guy, and we'll even be able to have lunch today. Imagine that. Well, unexpected turn of events. They make stuff so you just, you know, it's not an ambiguous process. So we got to make a fitting. I'm sure one exists, but we need like a 5/8 to a what's it. Buddy's driving around starting here for 3 hours. Can't, you know, nobody's got like good brass fittings and stuff anymore. So we make maybe. Oh, oh, likely fraud. Hello. Why do you keep calling me, you fucking smelly, dirty fucking bastard? Fuck your mother. All day. Yeah. If they won't sell you one, what are you going to do? I'm in danger.
Dude, you made that like from scratch?
Yeah, it's just a piece of brass or whatever.
That is wild.
Come on. Oh my God. Is that a a bite on there big time. Somebody cut that off there without fucking wrecking it. She sits around a lot, but when you need it, you know, like the hardware store doesn't sell you a 7/8 to 5/8 adapter, and we need that to bypass the friggin' the what's it? Scores. That JB Weld actually fucking held her back.
Yeah, I'll have to drive it back from Toronto like that.
Oh my god. That's out of that line. Goodness gracious. Too much hole.
Yeah.
Ooh. That's not good.
Some crud in there, eh?
Holy shit.
Oh, it is not.
Rusty turbo. Not the best case scenario. Just a diabolical situation. Look at this. Oh, and it friggin' works, and it doesn't leak. Okay. Stab one down in there. Oh, he's already put the inner fender where you can't sant. Oh no. But heater core, pump, transmission cooler, teed all into the center configuration, forthwith, no rusty pipes required. We just left them installed though. That's the one, the only good one we had to cut. Okay. The only good one we had to cut, but we scored some extra bits, a clamp and a hose, and a hose and a pipe.
I think you might have to jack it up.
No. Oh, that was close. Oh no. Oh no.
Shit.
That's my two-step upgrade for
That.
Oh, we did it.
How much do I owe you?
$1 million.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Give me a second mortgage.
Sell everything.
Dude, thank you. I appreciate
Yeah, no
it.
worries.
Dude, take a picture with me because no one believes I know you.
Oh my god.